Meet Mr. Riz Carter, an e-commerce business owner who ships numerous packages daily. He works tirelessly to provide top-quality products for his customers, ensuring that most of his orders are delivered on time and in perfect condition. Every day, over 90,000 packages go missing in New York City alone. It's a major problem for merchants like Riz Carter, who struggle with lost shipments and frustrated customers. Some companies offer third-party insurance to solve the problem. They promise to replace lost packages. But is it that simple? For Riz, those promises often fall short. Claims take too long, and his customers get even more upset. Introducing Shopify. We're not just an insurance company. We're a smart tech platform that integrates shipping protection directly into your store. When your customer checks out, a small fee is collected, and the money goes straight to you. You can use it to cover any lost shipments so your customers feel secure, and you protect your profits. It's a win-win, peace of mind for your customers and increased revenue for you. Why is Shopify? It offers quick setup and automation, helping you boost revenue and build customer trust effortlessly. With no hidden fees or delays, you can focus on growing your business. Plus, enjoy 24/7 support and real-time insights, ensuring you stay in control at all times. What are you waiting for? Click install and let Shopify work its magic. Let's get started.